Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I will be sharing a project that I created using Scrapdiva designs from the September 1st, 2024 release. I will have affiliate links in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. When you use the affiliate links, they don't cost anything extra to you, but they do help me and my channel, and I thank you so much for using them. Also, you can use Carol10 at checkout. So let's go over the dies I used in this project. The first one up is the Voodoo Doll mini album. That one's stuck on the back of there. This one comes with 3 layering dies, as you can see here. This one has the stitching around the outside. You could actually make a little felt doll out of this by cutting these pieces out and actually stitching them together. And then you get this die here that's all connected. It's 2 needles and a heart, and this is what the needles look like. Really cute, and they're for sticking into your voodoo doll. So that's the first die. The next one is the spider bow number 2. I showed this die in the previous video, and today I'll show you how I'm using it on my projects. Then we have Halloween words number 4, and I used Hey Boo out of this set. This is great to have in your stash for your Halloween projects. It has lots of good functioning words for Halloween. Then I used the Charcuterie Board Add On set and the Charcuterie Board. And I used the smallest in this set for a tag on my project. And last but not least, I have this one, which is called the 3D Gift Box, which I did mount my Voodoo Doll on. And I just love this. So those are the dies that I used. Before I pull my project into view here, let me just say, if this is your first time or you are new to my channel, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here is the first one up. Now, the last few days I have been crafting in the morning, and in the afternoons I've been decorating for Halloween. So my house is all decorated for Halloween now, and I'm in the process of doing like a heavy fall cleaning. And after that, I am going to actually host a little Halloween party here. It'll probably be towards the end of September, and I wanted to make some favors for the men, and I thought this was super cute for that. So here you see my little voodoo doll, and I did layer it. So I have a layer of black, a layer of white, and then under the layer of white I cut out some foam, and under that I have a gold glitter cardstock. I know you can see that right there. Here is my spider bow number 2. Looks super cute on my voodoo doll. And this is the little heart that comes in the die set. And there's the needle piercing the voodoo doll's heart. That's cruel, isn't it? And then here is Hey Boo. And then I have, you can see the little tag here from the charcuterie board. And I decorated it with the heart from this die set with the needle going through the heart, and I just tied it on the top. And then this is just a little tag, not a tag, but a sticker from my stash. And this one, of course, is in orange. And then I have one that I did in purple. Isn't that pretty? And it says, Hey Boo. Here's my little tag here, and I did have a little purple tag in my stash that was purple. And then this is some really old paper. Oh my gosh, this paper is probably 15, 18 years old. But yeah, I'm coming to the end of my Halloween paper, so I'm going to have to figure something out after that. And then last but not least, I have to do a green one. So in my, for my Halloween party, I have a Frankenstein cheese platter bowl. I got a couple canisters, some cups and stuff like that. So I have to have some green party favors to go with that set. And I got a few other things, but I like to mix and match them all because I love it. I love it all. So here we have the green Voodoo Doll with a pretty bow, and there's the tag. And I had this green spooky sticker in my set, and then here's another old paper, and this was just perfect with the green with the little skeletons. So I hope you enjoyed this project share as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Let's see if we could squeeze this one in. Also, I don't want to forget, if you're making these, I also put some little diamond dots on them to accent and put a little bit more pop of color in there. So thank you all for joining me today. And so today's question, I had fun the other day when I asked you if you liked pumpkin spice. So today's question is, do any of you who follow my channel have Halloween parties? So now that I got 3 grandchildren, I will probably do a little Halloween party every year, and I know it's going to be fun. So that's today's question. So until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.